Hey you guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go shopping and I am really excited because we're gonna do it on a really tight budget and see what we can get for 50 bucks. We all know that I love fall and Halloween decor. I'm gonna take my little sidekick shopping with me today. Speaking of said sidekick, she just started school and I had no idea how expensive preschool was until we started pricing out different schools. So anyway, that is a whole new budget restriction that we're getting used to. So I want to satisfy my shopping needs and decor needs while also staying on a tight budget. So we're gonna call it 50 bucks. We're gonna see what we can get. I also just wanted to thank ShopTagger for sponsoring today's video. ShopTagger is an app that I've been using that it basically connects to your web browser, and anything that you're shopping for online, you can save to ShopTagger through this little button. It will notify you whenever anything goes on sale. You can save it to different categories, almost like a Pinterest board. So you can put, like for me, I have home decor and then makeup and stuff like that. So anything that I'm wanting to get at a good price makeup wise, I've got on there. Like Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale is coming up. So I have a few things tagged that I know are going to be on that sale so that ShopTagger can remind me when it goes on sale and I don't forget. Last year, I was wanting to buy, like stock up on some of the TheHighLite Camera Lashes mascara. That's one of my favorites. And I completely missed the day and missed the sale. That was really traumatizing. So I don't have to worry about that this year. I've got ShopTagger installed and I've got the things that I want from that sale on my page. And this is kind of how you use it. This is how you tag something. It's super duper easy. All you do is go to the web page of whatever it is that you're trying to find, and then you can save it to any of your collections so that you can know when things go on sale. You can choose to turn on push notifications so that whenever something goes on sale, you can know about it right away and you don't have to miss it like I did last year. ShopTagger is a completely free download. It's just basically a web browser extension. So it's a little button that will be on the web browser next to your search page. So anytime you are on a website, if there is anything at all on the website you want to save, you can just click that little button, save it to a collection, and you're good to go. They kind of just do the rest. So I'd love for you guys to all check it out. It's something that I've been using and really loving and finding super duper helpful. So I'll have a link down below to where you can download it for your web browser. And now we're gonna go shopping. All right, we just got to the store. We are at home. The name of that store is challenging because I was just on the phone with Brock and he was just like, oh, what store are you guys going to? I was like, we're at home. I don't know. I get the idea, but it's confusing. That's where we just got to. This is one of my favorite places to buy really affordable home decor because the stuff they sell is actually really good quality for super cheap. So I figured this would be a great place to come to try and find my home decor for 50 bucks or less. I can't even believe what I'm seeing right now. There's Christmas trees. Here we go. Here's the fall stuff. I need to actually get some of this because I like to do an arrangement on my front step. That's 10 bucks. That's cute. Look at that scarecrow, how cute that is. Fall stuff is in season right now. And it's usually better to buy when, you know, it's kind of going out of season. She found a chicken. She wants to show you guys. That's actually really cute. I want to find a doormat for outside. I like that one. $12.99. That would cut my budget up real quick. Okay, we'll think about this and then we'll come back to it. This would be so cute for a dining room table arrangement. But that's 20 bucks. I'll keep it in mind. That is adorable. Okay, we have a bunch of fall wreaths down here. I would look at those, but I got a really cute one at Home Goods last year. So I'm gonna use that. But we're home. We're in the scary stuff. I wanted to find this. That is so funny. I love it. Oh yes, this is her Cruz Ramirez from Cars 3. That's her favorite.
Mommy, get away from that!
Ah, we better run. He's gonna get you. I'm just kidding.
He's gonna do my legs. He's gonna get my legs.
Don't let him get your legs. Ah.
Hi. He's so cute.
He's cute. Only my child would say that. Okay, don't judge me. I might just get a Halloween mat instead of a fall mat. She loves that. Hey.
Jack the Pumpkin King. Mommy. Yeah.
Look, it's Jack and Sally. Oh, how cute.
They're kissing together.
They're kissing together.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like this one because it can kind of go for fall or Halloween. I think I'm gonna get this for a bathroom. That's super cute, and it's only $7.
Yeah.
So we are at 13 plus 7. She's just feeding my bad habit. She's like, pumpkin eyeballs, ghosts. And I'm trying to do fall. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute to put in the bushes. Oh my gosh, I'm getting one of those. That's adorable. $1.99. We're at $22. I'm kind of failing at the fall thing. We're gonna find fall stuff.
Oh my goodness, I want us to sleep one of those.
That is cute.
We can lay on those too. Oh my goodness, pumpkin donuts.
Show them.
Pumpkin donuts.
So I was really hoping to find a like a fall table arrangement. So that's kind of like my number one thing that I'm looking for right now. So I really want this. I might end up putting something back so I can get that, since this is a little bit more expensive. And I also might try to find a coupon. $21.99, basically $22. But I'm gonna make it work. I love this pumpkin.
Me too.
I might end up, I have to maybe come back for this. That is really cute.
Yeah, so precious.
Precious. I think we've found everything we can find today. I wanted to find 2 little white pumpkins to put on my table arrangement, but I couldn't find them here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just call it a day and go check out. Okay, we're back in the car now. We're gonna grab some lunch before we go home, and when we get home, I'll tell you guys how we made out and if we were close to our budget, if we stuck to it, and then show you exactly what we got. And Piggy is excited to see us. Hi. Oh, do you love your sissy? All right, we're home. I'm really hot. I'm trying to get into the fall spirit, but it's in like the mid-90s still. So yeah, we're pretty warm.
Hot.
So anyway, I want to take a minute to plug my vlog channel, because if you enjoy this type of content, we post a video like this every single Sunday up on the vlog channel, which I'll put right here and a link down below. So if you guys want some more family vlogs and stuff like that, head on over there. We post every single week over there, kind of a weekly recap and what we're up to. So now I know you guys are all wondering, did I stick to my budget? Well, I got this because I've been wanting a doormat. We don't have one, and we haven't had one since we moved in. So we got this one. I liked this one because it works for fall and it's also like Halloween. So this was $12.99. I did end up getting this little basket. I couldn't resist it. And this pumpkin was more than I wanted to spend, but it is just so pretty. I couldn't resist that, so I did go a little bit over the budget. This was $17. Here's the thing, when you set a budget to begin with, I feel like you're a lot more likely to stick closer to that than to go like way over, because if I didn't set a budget before I went, I would have spent easily like $100, $150 because I found so many things that were cute that I really, really wanted. But the whole point of this video was to show you guys that you could get a lot of really cute things for only about $50. I did end up spending $67 after tax. Tax is so dumb. I hate that they don't include it in the price. It makes it so hard to calculate. It was still a pretty affordable haul, I think. So I got that, which I'm gonna put on my table. I'll show you guys that in just a second once I get it put together the way I like. And the last thing I got were these flowers just to go in this tin. Obviously they're like kind of all together and need to be arranged. So I'm gonna do that and show you guys kind of changing out my table arrangement from summerish to fall. Okay, so here's what we have on the dining room table right now. I think it's kind of like an all season type decoration. It's not really like summer, it's kind of summery because that's, you know, a little bit more of like a summer print, I guess, but I just kind of like carved wood, obviously, because the pumpkin kind of has a similar vibe to that. So I'm gonna be taking this off. I can't decide if I'm gonna leave these on the ends or not. I wanted to try and find like a couple little white pumpkins to put on top, but I couldn't find those at the store I was at least the size I needed. We are going to kind of rearrange this and see what we got. All right, so here's what we ended up with. A little unsure about these two things. What do we think? Do they go? Do they clash? Would they be cute if I put pumpkins on top? I know those are meant for like candles, but that's just a little too formal for me. I'm not like really a candle on my dining room table type of person unless I'm like actually hosting a Thanksgiving or something like that. So the pattern is so beautiful on this. So there's our little dining room table arrangement. What do you think, Piggy? Is he cute? She's ruining our couch. So that's actually it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you like this type of content, this is always over on my vlog channel. Also, don't forget to go download Shop Tagger. I'm telling you, game changer, life changing, especially going into the holiday season, or if there's sales coming up that you don't want to miss, like the 21 Days of Beauty that Ulta does every year. So I've got a few things that I want to snag already tagged on my Shop Tagger page. Rolling into the holiday season, I'm gonna probably get everybody's Christmas list and put everything into the Shop Tagger app and then just wait and see if it ever goes on sale and buy it then. I can't believe we're already talking about the holidays, but here we are.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye for my mommy.
Okay, bye.